I have to ask, what are these things popping up all over my social media every 10 seconds? So these action figures have literally been on my feed, Facebook, Instagram, you name it, everywhere. Everyone has been making these action figures, and I'm like thinking to myself, what is going on and what is the big deal? In today's video, we're going to be looking at these action figures, what the big deal is, how you can do it yourself if you haven't already, and why people are making such a big fuss about it. Let's have a look. So today I'm diving into these little digital heroes that are making its way across all of social media. So these AI figures are generated through ChatGPT using the create image feature on GPT mobile device or desktop device. These action figures are being used for memes, jokes, social media, businesses, branding, you name it, people are using it everywhere. And you know when a trend starts, it's just madness. They're kind of styled like Barbie dolls or superhero collectibles, and they're kind of displayed in like a package, like you're buying it from the shop with plastic on top, you know, complete with the accessories from laptops, gadgets, food, and there's like hashtags around like Barbie box challenge. The process typically involves uploading a body photo of yourself, putting in a quick prompt, and then it will generate this action figure for you. So what makes them so popular and who came up with these action figures? I think it's a lot to do with the personalization. Everyone loves the ability to be able to create a unique image of themselves, make a joke out of it, or create something really cool for their business. Being able to demonstrate our own personalities, what we love doing, our interests, our hobbies, you know, people love that. It can even tap into childhood memories, being able to resonate with a larger audience. You know, you'll see somebody else is a similar one to you or maybe similar interests. And I think it's good for creativity, being able to create something of yourself, I think is really, really powerful. And obviously social media engagement, you know, people are tagging and commenting. So I think this is what's caused it to be so popular. So it actually started on LinkedIn. Professionals started to share action figures of themselves, and it was kind of like a humid thing where people are kind of sharing their own personalities, and there's no rules, it's just your imagination, which I think is really, really powerful. So how do you make one if you haven't already? You can ask GPT on your phone or the desktop. I'm going to show you how to use it with the free version of ChatGPT. You don't need to use the GPT AI generator. You can use DALL-E or Midjourney or any of them that allow you to generate AI figures, but generally I think the GPT one is a little bit more realistic when it comes to the characters. So now I'm going to generate my own and show you what it comes up with. Use this image to create a picture of an action figure, toy of a tech, AI and e-learning YouTuber. Accessories include gadgets and tech. Package should include Charlotte Jade's well. So I'm going to keep it vague, short, to the point. So the picture is of kind of my face, but not exactly. And then we've got a laptop, headphones, looks like my camera actually. It looks kind of like you'd buy it in a shop. So it's as simple as that, guys. Go to GPT, put the prompts in, give them your personality and hobbies, and then it will generate this for you. Download it and you post it straight onto social media. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. What's the coolest one you've seen so far, or are they just not cool for you? I'd love to hear from you guys. If you guys did like this video, do give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for my weekly updates. I'm discussing lots of AI, e-learning and tech trends, and really weird trends I may see along the way. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to check out my videos where I talk about lots of different topics. Have a good one.